Okay, so we had a no start in here Ford, and checking it out, finally came to the conclusion that it had a bad circuit inside the fuse box. Looked into it, had a bunch of corrosion inside of it. We disassembled it, and we're gonna go through and we're gonna be able to clean it up. But there's a reason why it was that way. So we started looking into it. The windshield on this truck's been leaking. So it's been running down through the windshield sill, down through the dash, and soaking this thing. So we'll get it all sealed up back together, and we'll get his windshield taken care of. So this issue will be fixed for good, but should save him a lot of money. Go through this real quick, get him hooked up. So you guys have any electrical issues, need some help, give us a call. Utah Diesel Center, 801-796-9353.